SMCI stock is in a strong bearish trend as of Monday, the 19th. You may have read that the company is now accepting orders on portfolio of more than 20 systems optimized for the new NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs for accelerating the deployment of enterprise AI factories. That is AI factories is something that Jensen Huang mentioned in their conference earlier this year. So the chairman of SMCI indicated that the company continues to develop or rather lead the development of enterprise AI infrastructure, empowering the deployment of AI across industries at ever greater scale, and that the company's data center building block solutions is the ideal platform for collaboration with NVIDIA Enterprise AI Factory validated designs based on the Blackwell architecture. Together, they will help enterprises ramp up AI adoption by building their own enterprise AI factories, accelerating AI inference, AI development, simulation, and graphics workloads for faster time to revenue. Yeah, that was on Monday, and then on Thursday there was this other piece of news as well. U.S. Data Center Inc., a subsidiary of DG PowerX, to collaborate with SMCI for initial deployment of customized B200 GP infrastructure. Okay, so the company DGI PowerX is a vertically integrated power infrastructure company focused on developing cutting edge data centers for high performance computing. Announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, US Data Centers Inc., has entered into a collaboration with SMCI to deploy customized B200 GPU rack solutions at the company's newly developed data center in Alabama. The collaboration will begin with an initial deployment targeting operational readiness within 120 days, with full test operations expected during Q4 of 2025. The project lays the foundation for a broad expansion at the Alabama site, with plans to scale up to 22 megawatts in 2026 and 55 megawatts in by 2027. So we have this piece written on Zach. So they're saying that it's the action is SMCI stock a buy, sell, or hold at price earnings multiple of 14.62 times. So they're saying the author of the piece is saying the stock is currently trading at a discounted valuation with its forward 12-month price earnings ratio at 14.62x, which is lower than the Zacks computer storage devices industry average of 18.83x. Given SMCI's discounted valuation, investors might be wondering, is this an opportunity to buy, or are there deeper challenge that could keep the stock in check? So they mentioned the key challenges. Okay, even though the stock appears to be relatively undervalued, relative to its peers, there are underlying risk or negative factors contributing to its valuation. Let's see now. So it's saying the company is facing margin contraction due to the growing price competition and price adjustments as companies are second guessing their shift from older to newer platforms like Blackwell. Okay, we know that very well. That's what the company disclosed in its outcomes. So facing near-term challenges include delayed purchasing decisions from customers as they're evaluating the adoption of next generation AI platforms. And then there's the competition as well from the likes of HP and Dell. Yeah, and then let's see. Conclusion: SMCI is facing near-term challenges stemming from the delayed purchasing. We know that from customers and margin contraction from pricing pressure, stiff competition from industry leaders. So yeah. So we know that as well. We know that they also wrote off some. So they wrote off some inventory. Let's see. whether they mention them here. Fishing including, yeah, yes, yes, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, yeah. It's already incurred one-time inventory write-down. Okay, on older generation GPUs and related components. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what they are saying there. CFO sells 67,000 shares. Yeah, insider trading going on. So well, as things stand right now, we have the extrapolation to the downside on this 4 hour chart. No upper projection, nothing upwards. We have 43.22. We have projections. I'm going to bring that up. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Let's see. On the 4 hour chart, we have some upper projections as well. Extrapolation, weaker prices are expected to play out all the way towards early June. So a contraction of this huge expansion, huge volatility expansion, is expected to continue up till the 3rd of June. And then maybe after that, maybe high prices may come in. Let's have a look at its 4 hour chart, daily chart again. Let's see. On the day extra day, the contraction is expected to remain in place up till 8th of July, but at least it's not extrapolating anything to the lows of 29.65 that we saw in early, as a matter of fact, in late mid to late April. Yeah, it's not, at least it's not extrapolating those sort of lows, but it could be more. It could be more because this is just a limited extrapolation. Yeah, so I mean the stock has done well of late, but yeah, let's see now what it has done. Let's see. It gained, let's see, in the last 6 months, 20.94%. Last 1 month, 9.93%. So, yeah, it's a popular stock as well. So, all of those things playing to how it's going to perform, let's see now. We had earlier on, currently we have projections. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Okay, so on the weekly chart, interesting, we have downward projections first of all 26.15, 32.03. Upper projections 68.33, 83.89, 93.50. Yeah, I mean that's good. That's good. And this just came up. This projections just came up just as of on Monday the 19th. So they're still fresh. By tomorrow's trading session, we may see more projections, or we may see whether they will be emphasized or not. So yeah, that's what's going on. If you didn't know what's going on with SMCI, we have our projections. I was going to say mention them. There's based on yeah, the projections we have. Let's see, we have let's see, we have 43.14. Okay, just at a slight premium to where it is currently now, and 48.52. Yeah, those sort of projections are not on this weekly chart. Yeah. So our projections once again 43.14 and 48.52 in a very short time. Some of those prices have since printed. Yeah, they've all since printed. Yeah, we've seen yeah, okay, nothing, okay, well, 43.14 printed, but not 48.52. Yeah. So see what you make of SMCI, and thank you very much for watching this video.